Honda's luxury brand Acura is making waves by reviving the iconic RSX nameplate as an all-electric crossover SUV, marking a significant departure from its sports car heritage. The vehicle features a coupe-like silhouette with a dramatic sloping roofline and sharp character lines that emphasize its sporty nature, built on Honda's new dedicated EV platform. While detailed specifications remain under wraps, the new RSX will be compatible with Tesla Superchargers, as all Honda EVs from 2025 will feature the North American charging standard. The RSX will debut with Honda's proprietary ASIMO OS, unveiled at CES 2025, integrating autonomous driving capabilities, advanced driver assistance systems, and infotainment features. Production is scheduled to begin in early 2026 at Honda's EV Center in Ohio, marking a new chapter in Acura's evolution towards electrification.